Hello, and welcome to the 5th episode of 3D for Everyone. In today's episode, we will work on the roof. We start off by selecting the roof. Go into Face Mode. Go into Top View. Click Wireframe. This will highlight edges. Click Grid to turn off the grid. Now click Multi-Cut, hold Ctrl and left-click to insert edge loop in the middle. Double-click this edge, click Edit Mesh, click Bevel. In the adjustment box, increase the amount of segments by holding left-click and dragging to add more edges. Now increase the fractions to adjust the width between each edge. Keep adjusting the fragment and segments so it has enough edges and enough width between them. Additionally, you could click this area in the adjustment box and add values instead of left-click and dragging. Go into Perspective View. Double-click one edge loop, and now leaving one edge loop, click the next. Do this from one end to the other. Now with the Move tool, drag the selected edges down. Select all the edges. Click Edit Mesh, click Bevel. From the adjustment box, again adjust the fragment and segments. In Face Mode, select the roof faces on the Z-axis. Hold Shift and drag with the Move tool to extrude it. Adjust the scale of the roof on the Z-axis. Here I select the bottom edges and scale it on the Y-axis to flatten it. Then I do it on the other side. Double-click the middle edge loop on the Z-axis. Go to Front View. Now holding Ctrl and left-click, drag over the top, front and back edges to deselect those edges. With only the bottom edges selected, scale on the Y-axis. With this, we have reached the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode of 3D for Everyone.